Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to blur your background in Google Meet. Activating the background blur filter instantly softens your physical surroundings, obscuring room clutter while keeping your profile sharp and clear. First, open your Google Meet video call screen inside your web browser. If you are on the pre-join green room screen, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of your self-view video tile and click on the icon shaped like a sparkle labeled Turn on Background Blur. Alternatively, if you are already inside a live meeting, move your cursor to the bottom toolbar menu and click on the More Options button shaped like 3 vertical dots. Click on Apply Visual Effects from the pop-up Options menu panel. When the panel opens on the right side of your dashboard screen, ensure you are looking under the Backgrounds tab layout. Locate the specific configuration options section block labeled Blur and Personal Backgrounds. Click on the selection tile labeled Slightly Blur Your Background if you only want to add a light, subtle softening layer to your environment. Click on the adjacent selection tile labeled Blur Your Background to apply a heavy, deep focus blur that fully hides your background objects. The camera engine will instantly process your video track stream and anchor the selected blur level behind your silhouette. Click the Close X button sitting at the top right corner of the effects panel to save your layout look. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.